What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm pretty sure you can hear what is in the background right now, and that is a waterfall, because I am here at Cataract Falls in eastern Indiana. I was told of this place from Angel's friend who owns the private pond, and he told me that this spot right here is prime pickings for smallmouth bass. This is the first chance I've had an opportunity to get up here and do some fishing here, and by God, let me tell you, this place already is just absolutely gorgeous. The waterfall is amazing. There's not a whole lot of words to describe just how beautiful this place is right here. But there are actually two different falls. I am actually currently up at the upper falls, and then there's the lower one. I want to see how big the smallmouth are here. I want to see which falls has them, whether it's the upper or the lower. It's a gorgeous day to do this. So let's head back up to the truck, get the rods that we're going to need for today, and then go get on some big old smallmouth. Now, get out of the tree. Oh, that felt like a hit, but I don't know what it was. I'm looking at this just because this current is moving kind of fast. I don't know if I should be at the upper or the lower. I feel like I should probably, oh, see, there was, I honestly feel like I should be up at the lower, but I want to stay up here for a bit. So, okay, hold on. I'm walking over to where that little island is because that looks really nice. And it looks like it might be slack. That's gonna be the big issue. I gotta find slack water. All right, let's see if we can look here. I do have a spinner bait I just pulled out, so we will we'll give that a shot if we don't get anything else. Snagged on someone's line. Freaking awesome. And I lost my bait because I got hooked on someone's line. Well, that sucked. Yep. hold off. I feel like this is a good place to go, but there's just a bunch of people here right now, and I just don't know what to do, you know. So we're gonna come back up here on a day where there's not so many people, try to get a little bit more information about this place online, and then formulate a game plan on what to do. All thinking the same thing, huh?
It's way too flooded still.
Yeah. So I'm saying it looks like it's high because you can't, from a lot of videos I've seen, it's been like spots where you've been able to like walk out.
Oh yeah. You can usually just walk right down the side, man.
Yeah.
You just sit up top and catch them all day, but with the water high like this, it's basically pointless.
Okay. So
Yeah.
It's pretty high.
okay, so it's good to know that I'm not crazy. It's just the water's
Really good spot.
water's really high.
Especially you can whenever it's down, if you can walk all the way back, there's a little rock wall back there.
See, I walked all the way back there, but as the closer I got to the water, it was really muddy. I was starting to sink in. I was like,
You can't do it right. You can't really do it right now,
yeah, because I saw that. I was like, everybody else is up there. I'm going back there because there's trees in the water and everything, and that looks really, really nice.
Yep. It's flooded, it's a little rough, but we're about to go catch smallmouth instead.
Where?
The other set of falls, you can walk up under them.
Because I was up there, but I didn't think I could get underneath them.
The little gravel road before it. We can show you what follows back.
Yeah. Sorry. I thought it was grass. Indianapolis. Yeah. The water just seems, even down here, it just seems high.
I used to walk out to the middle, but I'm not doing that today.
Nah.
Yeah.
I can see where you could do that, get up by those rocks and
What?
I mean I can see that, like get over those rocks, and I bet that side over there is in that shade on the other side.
Usually this is the about 6 inches. But yeah, right up in that area, I'll start here and I'll just cast that. That little pool in the middle there, about 3 foot deep at small amount of distance. It's usually about 6 inches of water. So it's a mess. But yeah, last time we came out here, this is all in water. It's crazy.
I can't tell if it's rocks I keep hitting, but I feel like it's a tug. I keep feeling like I'm hitting something right here and I can't tell what it is. Hey man, I appreciate you showing me this. I gotta get to Terre Haute. I gotta be there at 6:30. Appreciate it. Alright guys, that does it for this video. Cataract Falls was absolutely gorgeous. It was amazing. It just sucked that the water was that high that day and really couldn't get anything just because of how high the water was. But it does lead me hope to go back and to get back right underneath the falls and try it again for some smallmouth. Hey guys, that's just like I said, that's going to do it. I am currently up here in Guntersville, actually Langston, Alabama, on Lake Guntersville at a resort, spending some time with the family, filming a little bit, so don't miss out the videos coming from here. So if you're brand new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss these videos that are being done up here. And also thank you so much for all of you who have supported me right now. I have finally hit monetization on YouTube, which means now I am getting paid for all the ads that you guys are seeing. And I also apologize for all the future ads that are going to be in videos. But anyway, before my GoPro dies again, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for the love and the support. It does mean the world to me. And as always, I'll see you guys back out on the water. Love you.